Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to remove crabgrass from your garden. Now, crabgrass is really a big pain. It looks like your normal grass in your garden, but it grows like a crab and outwards, and it'll fill in areas and look very unnatural, and it'll really take away from your natural grass. So to get rid of it, there's only one way. You could have to boil it with hot water and burn it out, or you can pull it out or dig it out. But I have found the easiest way to remove crabgrass is to put some potting soil or compost on top of it every spring and every fall, and add quite a bit of grass seed into the compost. And that way the compost will create a barrier above that crabgrass. The grass seed will grow and it'll cover it up, and you'll never know it was there. You do that every spring and every fall for a couple years, and you will never have any crabgrass in your garden at all, or in your lawn. And if they are in your flower beds, by filling your flower beds with lots of plants, you can crowd them out, and you can just pull them out too as you find them. But it's a lot easier too, I found, is to cover the areas that get kind of weedy with some more soil. And then that way, it seems that the crabgrass will die back, and you can plant other bulbs or other plants on top of it, and then you can enjoy that area without crabgrass. It's really as easy as that.